Are you looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard that looks good, feels fast, and doesn't cost a fortune? Today we're taking a look at the EvoFox Katana X2 TKL mechanical gaming keyboard and answering one simple question: is it worth it in 2025? The EvoFox Katana X2 is a tanky-less mechanical keyboard, which means you don't get the number pad. This makes it more compact, cleaner for your desk, and better for gaming setups where mouse space matters. Design-wise, the Katana X2 looks clean and modern. The TKL layout gives it a minimal gaming look, and the RGB lighting adds that classic gamer vibe. The keyboard feels solid for its price, with a build quality that doesn't feel cheap or hollow. Let's talk about features. The EvoFox Katana X2 comes with mechanical switches, which means faster response times and better durability compared to membrane keyboards. You also get customizable RGB lighting anti-ghosting for gaming, a detachable or sturdy cable, plug-and-play support with no software needed. When it comes to typing, the keys feel responsive and clicky, depending on the Switch version. For gaming, the TKL layout really helps with mouse movement, especially in FPS games. Overall, it delivers a smooth and fast experience for both gaming and everyday use. This keyboard is perfect for budget gamers, students, first-time mechanical keyboard users, anyone upgrading from a membrane keyboard. If you want premium features without paying premium prices, this keyboard makes sense. Pros: affordable price, clean TKL design, mechanical switches, RGB lighting. Cons: no number pad, limited customization compared to high-end keyboards. So is the EvoFox Katana X2 TKL mechanical gaming keyboard worth it? For its price, absolutely yes. It offers great value, solid performance, and a clean gaming aesthetic. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you use this keyboard for gaming or typing?